Hi everybody, welcome back. We are working on the Chapter 6 problem solve and we're ready for step 12. We're almost done. So here we are at step 12. You can see on my screen in the previous steps we've already created our pivot table. We put it on a new sheet called pivot analysis. We edited some of the settings, we added the fields, and we added slicers. So we're making this really professional looking. And so here in step 12, we're going to take the data that we have and we're going to make a pivot chart. So under the insert tab, so be active anywhere in your pivot table. Under the Insert tab in the ribbon, I'm going to try to make this a little bit wider so that we can see more of our ribbon. I'm going to say Insert Pivot Chart. And let's see, what kind of chart do we want? We want a clustered bar. So at the left, I'm going to go to bar charts. The first subtype type is the clustered bar. So that looks good to me. Let's go ahead and say OK. Create a clustered bar chart. I'm looking at the instructions while we work, making sure I don't miss anything. Apply style 10 to the chart. So I'm going to go up here in the pivot chart part of the ribbon. I'm going to click design and I want chart style 10. So, where am I? They're loading. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one? Excellent. Style 10. Apply the monochromatic palette 5 to the chart. So I'm going to say change colors and I'm going to go down to monochromatic and I'm going to go over the fifth palette 5. So the kind of blues there. Delete the total legend. So however you want to remove the legend is good. Get that out of there. Don't need the legend. Edit the chart title to read average MSRP. So I'm going to click the title for me, then I'm going to give it a triple click on the inside, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to type average MSRP, making sure that I spell it right and that it's exactly as shown in the instructions, average MSRP. Move the chart to its own worksheet with the name. All right, so while I'm here, I'm going to click Move Chart and to a new sheet and with the name, and the name is going to be Average MSRP Pivot Chart. And then I'm just going to double check, make sure I've given it the right spelling, it's all together, no spaces, things are capitalized, MSRP, okay, pivot charts, just double checking, right? Because everything's worth a point. And then I'm going to click OK. That's kind of a nice looking chart there. All right, I think that's it. Save, close, and submit to my lab. Let me know if you have any questions at all.